What if I told you one of the healthiest foods sitting in your fridge right now could actually be wrecking your gut?
Not slowly, not maybe, but actively damaging the very system you're trying to fix.
And here's the crazy part. Most people double down on it. They eat more of it. They trust it because it's labeled healthy. But by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly why this common healthy food is ruining your gut, what it's doing to your gut microbiome, and how to fix it without overcomplicating your diet. And there's one mistake most people make that keeps them stuck, even when they think they're eating perfectly. The healthy food that's quietly destroying your gut. Let's get straight to it. Low-fat, flavored yogurt. It's everywhere. It's marketed as probiotic-rich, gut-friendly, and essential for digestive health. But here's the reality no one tells you. Most of these yogurts are packed with sugar, sometimes more than a dessert. And sugar doesn't heal your gut. It feeds the harmful bacteria. So instead of improving your gut microbiome, it throws it completely out of balance. You end up with more bad bacteria than good. And that leads to bloating, inflammation, and constant cravings. But here's where things get even more surprising. Yogurt isn't the only healthy food doing this. Why healthy foods can backfire on your gut? We've been trained to trust labels. Low fat, organic, natural, clean. But your digestive system doesn't understand marketing. It responds to what's actually inside the food. And this is where most people go wrong with gut health. They focus on calories or fat content or what's trending online, instead of asking one simple question: how does this affect my gut bacteria? Because your gut microbiome is sensitive. And even small daily habits can either strengthen it or slowly damage it. And this is exactly why some people eat healthy and still feel terrible. The hidden sugar trap in healthy foods. Now this next part explains a lot. Many foods considered good for you are secretly loaded with sugar. Granola bars, breakfast cereals, fruit juices, even store-bought smoothies. They all look healthy, but behave very differently inside your body. When you consume these regularly, your gut microbiome shifts. Bad bacteria thrive on sugar. Good bacteria struggle. And once that balance flips, your digestion starts breaking down. You feel bloated. You feel sluggish. You crave more sugar, and the cycle continues. But here's where things get interesting. Even foods without obvious sugar can still harm your gut. When salads aren't as healthy as you think. Let's talk about salads, because this one surprises almost everyone. Salads are supposed to be the ultimate healthy meal, right? But what most people don't realize is, it's not the vegetables causing the problem. It's everything added on top. Store-bought dressings are often full of processed oils, preservatives, and hidden sugars. These ingredients can irritate your gut lining and disrupt digestion. And here's something even fewer people talk about. Raw vegetables can be hard to digest for some people. If your gut is already inflamed or sensitive, large amounts of raw food can actually cause more bloating. So instead of improving your gut health, your healthy salad might be making things worse. The gut microbiome mistake that keeps you stuck. Here's the mistake that traps most people. They think more healthy food equals better gut health. So they pile on fiber. They eat tons of raw vegetables. They drink green smoothies every day. But your gut isn't designed to handle sudden overload. Think of it like a system that needs gradual change.
Too much fiber too quickly can cause gas and discomfort.
Too many new foods at once can confuse your digestion.
And instead of healing your gut,
You stress it. This is why many people give up.
because they think healthy eating doesn't work.
But in reality, they're just overwhelming their system. The smoothie problem no one talks about. Now let's break down smoothies. They look clean. They feel like a shortcut to good nutrition. But here's the hidden issue. Most smoothies are overloaded with fruit. Bananas, mangoes, berries, honey, all blended together. That's a huge sugar load hitting your gut all at once. And because it's liquid, your body processes it extremely fast. There's no slowing it down. Just a rapid spike that feeds harmful gut bacteria. But here's where things get interesting. Smoothies themselves aren't bad. They're just misunderstood. How to actually eat for better gut health. So what should you do instead? It's simpler than you think. Start focusing on whole foods. Real foods. Foods your body recognizes. Swap flavored yogurt for plain yogurt with fresh fruit. Replace sugary snacks with nuts or seeds. Eat whole fruits instead of drinking them. Make your own salad dressings with simple ingredients like olive oil and lemon. And most importantly, pay attention to how your body responds. Because your gut is constantly giving you feedback. You just have to listen. Signs your healthy diet is hurting your gut. Here's something most people ignore. Your body sends signals when something isn't right. If your current diet is damaging your gut, you might notice constant bloating after meals, low energy throughout the day, brain fog that won't go away, sugar cravings that feel impossible to control, digestive discomfort that keeps coming back. And here's where people get stuck again. They assume they need to eat even healthier. Cut more foods. Restrict more. But sometimes the solution isn't doing more. It's doing things differently. The truth about gut health most people miss. Here's the truth that changes everything. Gut health isn't about perfection. It's about balance. There is no single perfect diet for everyone. Your gut microbiome is unique. What works for someone else might not work for you. And blindly following trends or copying someone else's diet can backfire. But once you understand how your body reacts to food, you take control. You stop guessing. And you start making smarter choices that actually improve your digestion. So remember that healthy food from the beginning? It wasn't just yogurt. It was the idea that anything labeled healthy is automatically good for your gut. And that belief is what's been holding most people back. If this helped you see things differently, you're going to want to watch the next video, where I break down the best gut-friendly foods that actually heal your microbiome. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe so you don't fall for these common gut health mistakes again. So the next time you reach for that healthy food, pause for a second, because just because something is marketed as good for you doesn't mean your body agrees. This is where most people get it wrong. They trust labels, they trust trends, they follow what everyone else is doing without ever stopping to ask, is this actually working for me? And meanwhile, their gut is slowly paying the price. Bloating, discomfort, low energy, digestion issues. These things don't just happen for no reason. In many cases, your gut is reacting to what you're feeding it every single day. And the scary part? The damage isn't always loud or obvious at first. It builds up quietly over weeks months, even years. That's why awareness is everything. Now, this doesn't mean you need to fear food or cut everything out overnight, but it does mean you should start listening to your body a little more closely. Notice how you feel after you eat. Pay attention to patterns, because your gut will always give you signals. You just have to stop ignoring them. And here's the good news. Once you remove what's causing the problem and start giving your gut what it actually needs, things can improve faster than you think. Better digestion, more energy, less discomfort. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. So take this video as a wake-up call. Not to panic, but to start making smarter choices. And I want to hear from you. Were you surprised by this healthy food, or have you experienced any gut issues from it before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who's trying to eat healthy, because chances are they might be making this same mistake. And if you want more content like this, simple, eye-opening health truths that actually make a difference, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Because sometimes, the foods we trust the most are the ones doing the most damage.